Time is everything to me, and I know if I could have more time back in my day, I'd be much more successful.
In this day and age, technology advancing so fast, and we use Alexa just about to do a lot of things for us. Wouldn't it be so cool if you could also use Alexa in the real estate side?
What if you could tell Alexa to tell the neighborhood that you're having an open house this Sunday?
If you had the ability to say, Alexa, make the phone ring, and I just sold this house, and it'll reach out and contact all the neighbors in the neighborhood and let them know that we just sold that house, it would just be massive value.
Tell the neighborhood takes all the pain out of the process. You no longer have to find lists, to load dialers, to send out emails, to have your assistants do certain tasks. Now Alexa becomes your personal assistant. And you say, Alexa, tell the neighborhood. And she sends a voice message to 100 homes in the neighborhood about your special event. It's just one more way we make life easier for you.
Make me feel alive. She make me feel alright.